You're inside the boiler.
And I don't have what I need.
What do you need?
I need these, but female spade connectors.
Female spade connectors?
Yeah.
You go get what I have.
I don't have big enough for this wire.
What do you...
There's a bunch of burn up wires here. Right.
I'll feed the people.
Right. There. This one came out from right in the center of the screen, and then there's wires here that are burnt, and one of the 3 of the spades back here are burnt.
I'm gonna get my terminal connect repair kit.
Okay.
Be right back.
A bunch of wiring has been changed. You see, like they spliced a bunch of stuff, and I am working on just tracing things out. I have to download the boiler manual after I fix the wiring diagram after I fix these, because now I'm gonna have to make sure that the owner of the building wired this right, because he was playing with the wiring. And if you look over where I'm gonna stretch, see this wire pulls right out of the control board. They didn't do any of this work right. So yeah, this is a nightmare. And I'm inside. I took out the blower, which was right here, and I just crawled in because that's the only way I can gain access to it, because they installed a washing machine right next to it on this side, which is the side that I needed to come in from. And I told the guy I was going to cut it open, but I decided to just take the blower out and get to it.
It's Daniel, he's inside the boiler.